Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link and sync checklist items from multiple cards to a single card here in Trello. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Trello, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Linking and syncing checklist items from multiple cards to a single card in Trello is essential, especially in project management and team collaboration, because by consolidating checklist items from multiple cards into a single card, you can have a centralized view of all tasks. I believe it makes it easier to manage and track progress. Now, from here, I'm going to create another list. Okay. And I'm going to add another card. After that, I'm going to create a new template. And I'm going to add another checklist. For example, this is going to be that. I'm going to put in some more information here, click on save, and that's that. So basically, this is the foundation of linking and syncing checklist items from multiple cards to a single card. All I'm going to do after doing all of this, I need you to go to automation and go to rules, because here you can create rules that automatically respond to actions, schedule, or cards due date. That is, of course, linking and syncing checklist items. Once you've done that, the next option that you need to choose is go here, add the when a card is created in list to do by me and add steps checklist. All right, click on done. And when I'm added in the card, set the due date in 5 working days and post a comment. I got this. Okay. Now I want you to click on the create automation. All I'm going to do is select a trigger. All right. So the card move when you have all these conditions. Card changes, dates, checklist, card content, and a lot more. Okay, click on advance if you wanted. Now, of course, you have all these options. Go to basic, it's added in, created in, copied into the list name. All right, so now, once you have selected the following conditions, I want you to click on the create automation. All right. Already have that here. Now, once it's saved, I need you to click on this specific rule and click on edit. Then type the following. Okay, so when an item, maybe like, I'm going to add like something here. All right, so after that, you would be able to go to checklist section, all right, and add the checklist name. That's going to be Andy's Guides. And to a specific card, all right? So you need to make a new card for this one, okay? That's going to be a single card. Basically, you're linking and syncing checklist items from multiple cards to a single card, which is this one. After that, all you're going to do is click on save. And what will happen is you would be able to consolidate checklist items from multiple cards into a single card, so you can have a centralized view of all tasks, making it easier to manage and track progress. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.